Hello and welcome to Highlite TV. Today the second day of Prolight+Sound, and today we're going to introduce you a new sound system called Odin. I'm standing here together with Rolf Gabriel. He's the sound engineer of this new system. Rolf, can you tell me something more about this sound system?
Yeah, we try to build a modular sound system which we can use for smaller venues, large venues and large venues. It has two components. It has a top cabinet containing two double-inch mid-range speakers and two 1-inch high speakers. One special feature on it is the waveguide with phase plug, so the low-mid frequencies are much more longer in the distance for more warmer sound. The power of the cabinet is 800 watt. And we also have the subwoofer. It's a 118-inch subwoofer. Power is 1500 watt. They're all active. It's an active system with its own DSP, and later on we go more details. We have more details on how we can configure the system.
Okay, so we have this line array system as we see over here. Now I see this configuration. I see two configuration and stacking both ways. Double sub, 4 tops, but here so a single sub, 2 tops. What kind of configurations can you make with the system?
Both what here are, but the biggest purpose of it is to configure a line array. With 8 top cabins and 2 subwoofers, you can make a complete line array for the larger venues, and that's the main goal of creating the system.
Okay, so and it's complete with all rigging components, so everything is available. It's a complete set.
Yeah, this is completely with all the fly bars, speakers, etc. Nice thing you say about the rigging. We have a 3-point rigging. So it is nice to call that because one person can easily hang the speakers, and you don't need a lot of people to configure.
Okay, so what is the weight of only one cabinet? What is the weight?
The weight is 22.5 kilograms is the weight. So
that's kind of nice if you're building up in your own. You don't need a lot of people. It's convenient to set up in with only one person.
Yep.
Okay, so what target group are you aiming at for this kind of speaker system? We of course all know there are a lot of sound systems already on the market, big brand names, also some not so good sound systems. But what kind of target group? What did you try to achieve with the Odin system?
Now what we try to achieve is, of course, what you say, there are a lot of brands which are in the market. Our main target is for a very good price, delivering high quality. We have Celestion speakers inside in the top cabinet and a subwoofer. We really well thought about everything, that we have a good, right balance between quality and price.
Okay, so the best quality for a good and fair price.
Yes.
Okay, well that sounds very good. But how about if you're gonna buy the system and you never worked with a line array system before? Because I think it's quite hard to set up everything, you know. I couldn't do it. So did you figure out something also for those kind of users?
Yeah, you have two kind of users. One who wants to choose a preset and work right ahead with it. Other people really want to configure it. So we have made 10 presets. 1 to 9 is pre-configured. People can choose one of those and it really sounds good. For larger systems and people who really want to do gaining and EQing, we have preset 0. And with the DSP you can do everything, a lot of things you want.
Okay. So what you're saying is that it's available for people that are not really the sound engineers.
Yep.
They can use presets, but if you're more into sound engineering and you know how to do it, you can adjust everything by some kind of software. Maybe you can go on deeper on that in a later video.
Yep.
But still, at all times, this system is protected and limited against stupid mistakes, let's say.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice way to say.
well, it sounds very good. Well, if you are interested in this kind of system like Odin, what would you do? What can you do? If you're watching this video and think, hey, this system I like to see, I like to hear, what should you do?
What you can do is contact our local dealers. In the near future we're going to have demos. Contact them and ask when the demos are, and hopefully we see you somewhere in the country. Okay. So
a lot of demos are planned, as only if you like to hear it, just let us know, and we can say, okay, with a lot of people like to hear it, we will make the demo for you. Okay, that's nice. Thank you for watching Highlite TV. Tomorrow we will be back at you for the third day. And if you're coming to Prolight+Sound, don't forget to visit us on Hall 5B58. Thank you.